Hi, today I'd like to show you how to play Wonderful Tonight by Eric Clapton. I'm tuned to G, low G, D in the middle, high G. This is a fretless instrument, so we're just using a slide. Try to keep it perpendicular to the neck and try to mute behind it. You can use any finger you want. Alright, so the chords of this song are very straightforward. Since we're tuned to G, the first chord is G, 0, 0, 0. And I have a very simple picking pattern that hopefully will work for you. It's thumb, index, middle, index. And you think of it like this: 1 and 2 and. So a whole measure of G would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Like that. So you do one measure of G, then you go up to the 7th fret and you do one measure, this would be D. This is also called the 5 chord, represented by a Roman numeral 5. Then you go to the 5th fret. This would be a C chord, also called the 4 chord, represented by a Roman numeral 4. Then you go back to the 5, which is on the 7th fret. That's the basic body of the song. I'll play that for you for a second. So that's G, D, C, D. And it goes on like that through the background of the solos and through most of the song. The bridge starts from the D. So if you've gone, which I believe is after the second verse, it goes to the bridge. So you would go down to the C chord on the 5th fret. Play that for 4 beats. Up to D. Now you would just do one finger pattern on each chord. So it'd be G, open. Then D, back to D real quick. Then up to here, E. Full twice for the finger pattern. And then down to C. Up to D, back to C, and up to D and stop. Then back into the song, G. And that's all you need to know to be able to play that song. Now the solo is very cool. It's not very hard. It starts after the 1. So what I did was I made a loop so I can play the solo for you. And that's all there is to that. I'll just show you what I did there. It always starts after the 1, as I said, so it's like, so it's after that, right? Actually be coming from the 5 to be really strictly correct about it. And right after that note, you would hit this note, open, middle string. It's kind of like the foundation. It's not very loud, but it's kind of like the foundation. Then you go up to 4. And this is a slide down, or you can slide up to it actually. The next lick starts with this middle string open again. And then it starts with the middle string again. And that's all it does the first time around. Second time around, same. Now, 2, 4, 5, 9, 7. And that's all you have to do to be able to play that solo. Now, if you want to play the solo an octave higher, I did a short and I played it an octave higher, and I got some questions about that. All you do is add 12 to everything. So instead of being 0, this would be 12, right? And instead of being 4, this would be 16. So that'd be 16, 14, 12, 14. And I'll put a tab up there for you so you can see that. Now the trick with this is you're going to go depending on how many frets you have, you're going to have to go up to like fret 21. As you can see, I don't have fret 21. So an easy way around this, I don't know if you can see, but at the end of my, how do I get that on camera? There, oh, there we go. I got a little tuner there. When you have to do something like this, you can go up here using the tuner. So I'm going to need a note here. That's D, and this is E. Now I know that's D and that's E because I used my tuner. Whoops. And I made a little black mark with a magic marker. So that way you can amaze everybody with your incredible sense of pitch, you know? Well, who knew? And that's all there is to that if you want to try it an octave higher. That is kind of a little more difficult though. But anyway, have fun with this super great song. Talk to you later. Bye.